how to delete Temu account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Temu account. So in order to delete the Temu account, you'll have to make sure to watch this video till the end and make sure to follow the instruction as guided. Now first of all, you have to go ahead and log in into your Temu account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page like this. Over here, you need to go ahead and tap on the U icon located right at the bottom, and here you need to go to the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. After that, you need to go to account security, and here you can see there's an option as delete your Temu account. Go ahead and tap on it, and over here you need to go ahead and mark on the terms and condition and click on the terms and condition and click the continue button. Next page, you have to give a reason since you're deleting your account and click the continue button, and if you're sure about it, then click on the delete button. As soon as you've done that, you've successfully deleted your Temu account permanently. So that's basically how you can delete your account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.